Right, that's us just arrived at the river Coquet, just in the outskirts of Amble. Came to another wee part of the river where it's easier to put your kayaks in. So it looks lovely. There it goes, all the way up there. You've got a wee weir there. But I was talking to one of the lads, once the tide's in, you can actually go across that on your kayak, but we're going down that way. But it's a lovely wee stretch of water. Deeper up that way. But that looks not too bad in there. I think that'll hold a kayak, no bother. You'll no scrape off the bottom anyway, that's for sure. So, there's Jutta, he's giving it a good pump there. He's got the 80-wit kayak, the one man. Cracking wee kayak, that tracks very well. And obviously I've just got the cellular. So, get this pumped up there. Aye. And it's free parking, by the way. It's free parking. It's a bonus. Aye. No, out for now. Out for now to me with it. Well, it's 10:30 and the place is chock-a-block already. Made a boo-boo there. Blew the kayak up, meant to put the skeg on, couldn't get the skeg on. You need to put the skeg on first before you blow the kayak up. I knew that anyway, but I just forgot. Set up. That's it pumped up for the second time. Jutta's got his pumped up. He's sitting there having a breather after all that pumping. But aye, we've got to take it down there. It's quite busy here today. So we've got to take it down there and launch just behind the trees down there. So bring us back shortly. Right, that's us down at the waterside. It's busy today. There's loads of people out with their paddle boats and that. Jutta's raring to get in, isn't you, Jutta?
Ready, aye.
So that's same all down, all pumped up. Beautiful, isn't it? How beautiful is that, eh? Totally stunning. So we've got to paddle all the way down there, under the bridge. You come to a wee weir, but apparently you can get out of the wee weir because the tide's coming in. So, yep, spot on. I'll bring these back. We've got to pull there somewhere, have some bite to eat later on. Bought a couple of ration packs with us. Jutta's brought one with him. And we just got to chill for the day. Huh? River Coquet. 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 Q-U-E. Coquet. Q-U-E. Aye. Place called Warkworth. Warkworth. Aye. Camera on, camera action, Jutta. Mint. You can feel the heat though, can you? Oh, aye. I think the sun's meant to get out, I know. Well worth the travel up here. The wee duck sunbathing. Tide's coming in. I think it's high tide at 4 o'clock, the lassie was saying. So we might be able to come down this way, get out of this wee weir, and then if we can back up the way, I think we can get out of the other weir. So, aye, good stuff. Aye. Oh, steps all the way down to the water side. Mint in it. Aye. Pheasant. Stay away from the rocks. Aye, because it's low, Jutta. Stunning bit of water though. Seeing you're on a kayak, Jutta, you can go anywhere, can you? You can find all the wee hidey holes and all the wee camp spots. So we'll have a look down here to see what sort of, because you could park there if it's free parking. Park there, free parking, and then just paddle down this way. Free parking, free water, and potentially some free camp spots. This is Warwick, place called Warwick, just outside Amble. It's got a castle in that. It's just like a wee village, but it's quite popular with paddle boarders and kayakers and walkers and everything else. Just Jutta passing us. Hold on, Jutta, can I get you in yet? Do that again. That's nice, you're in now. Aye. Well, imagine hammocking off of that tree, a couple of trees. Been mint, wouldn't it?
Not saying many midges, can you?
Nah. That's a good thing. Because I never brought any repellent with me. Huh? Oh, that must be nice. That must be gardens. Imagine having that as a back garden. I bet this is mint first thing in the morning. See, like 6 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock.
See the bottom, like.
That's what I'm saying. It's just get by there. There's a nice private house over there. Look at that. Beautiful. Right. Aye. That's what I'm saying. When the tide comes in, that'll be right out at the end, won't it? Well, you can see there the wall there. That's how high it comes up. I would have thought so, because we've seen the floodgates in the way in, didn't we? So this takes you all the way down to Amble. Brilliant. Got it in flight. This size fish. A fish. When I was taking a photograph of that heron there, a fish has just jumped right behind us. A big one and all. I'll shit myself. Well, that's, I was just put into the side. I've got to make a bite to eat. There are kayaks down there. Just need to keep an eye on the tide coming in. If it comes in or ghost. So aye, that's a nice wee paddle up the river there. I don't think we can go any further because that's the wee weir there, and you would need to kind of pull the kayak through. It doesn't look as if there's much water down that way anyway. So just pulled it out to the side. Just came from down there. That's a castle you can see out there. Just get some on. Day so far. Good wee day. Still warm, you can feel the heat. So just going to get some coffee now. It's Northumberland, which is sausage and beans. It's chicken, so chicken, sausage and beans, ration pack. I'm going to have that. Speaking of radio is. Better switch it off for copyright.
Park down, there's a portion in there, you know. You wanted to do that.
Huh?
Like park down, there's like a walkman, like a come through.
Oh,
especially in high tide.
Aye.
You know what I mean?
Straight onto the water.
You're that there. Give it, or about 10 minutes. But then again, you could you might get to give in, there might be some little spots in there, you know, for hammock.
Take a wee walk there, once we've sort of eaten there.
I have a little look, but it's got to be a way in, like, good. I dare say the other side of the river would be better.
It'd be mere.
Ah, it'd be better.
Listen, Wes, Daz, Lynchy, the Wanderers, get yourselves a kayak, man. Go anywhere. Loch Lomond and Connecan Island where the wallabies are at. Take you up there. Some beautiful little places you can go. good investment. You can have them forever. This is a cracking little stretch of water, this. That's Amble, down there in the distance. And I've got to zoom in. That's Amble there. So you can't go as forward because there's just no water there. You would need to kind of walk. Portage your kayak. Kayaks here. Wee Inuit, one man in the Sevilla Rio. Oh, I will just point out that if you ever get one of the Sevilla Rios, I wouldn't bother buying one because apparently they don't sell the bladders anymore. But that's what it is. You just need to watch with your pad on, I suppose. Aye. Come on.
Chicken, sausage and beans.
Ah, is that what you've got?
Aye.
Chicken, sausage and beans. Us being watered, fed and watered. So what I just tidy up here, the sun's starting to come out now. So I'm going to tidy up a mess, which you can see. Wherever we go, we don't leave no mess. Everything's away. All the empty packets are in that dry bag. John's got his empty packets in his dry bag. Find it the way you go it, and if you do come across any rubbish, just put it in the bag and take it away. You shouldn't have to, but that's what we do when we put it in it. So, well, that's that one. Andrew, what do it's Herbert's Island? Oh, media. Here, sat down in the wet grass. The Mars. Oh, this is soaking. This couple have just come out in their kayak, right? Oh, there. And they went over there.
In the boats and down, have a little look.
Onto a wee bench, table and bench, we have some. Right, so I'll bring us back shortly. Brilliant. Got it in flight. This size it.
Huge in there.
Aye, just coming in. See if he falls out. Get him on camera. See if you fall out. On four. Four. I'll be more stable than them.
King of the sea.
The water is actually quite hot. As I say, you can see the rapids up there. You can't go any further and it's dead shallow there, so look at that. Absolutely stunning. I was going to say that could have been an ideal wee camp spot there, but the tide comes in and it goes right up to there. It goes up to halfway, well, quarter of that tree are there. You can see the line where it goes up to, so that's a no-go. And I think that's somebody's garden there. They've got a wee tree house and that in it. Stunning, stunning area. It's absolutely beautiful. Ah, just stood in a big stone. That's been a brilliant wee day. Great wee day out. Absolutely stunning. Aye, that's as far as it goes. I don't know what's behind that dam. Ugh. Let me watch my feet in here. Whoops. Ah. Aye. Walk up this way. Need to watch them because they're slippy as anything. Stunning, isn't it, Jutta? Stunning, isn't it? Aye, seen them there, the wee minnows. The water's warm, isn't it? Well, that's us heading back down. Can't go any further. But what a beautiful day we've had on the river. Look at this. I've done a lot of video and I know I've only got 20% left in my phone, so I'm heading back down to the car. Brilliant. Seems better coming this way, doesn't it, Jutta? You've gone with the tide, you know, battling against the tide. So, I hope you enjoyed this wee video. The River Coquet. You had a good one, Jutta? Mint in it. Roasting in it. So for myself and Jutta, would you like to add anything, Jutta?
Aye.
Would you like to add anything?
Aye, it's been a brilliant day. Absolutely brilliant. It's a beautiful place, this.
Aye, it is, it's lovely, isn't it? Absolutely stunning.
For those who haven't got a boat, you have to get one.
Aye.
You know it makes sense.
Aye lads, you just want to get yourselves a kayak, because this is just total bliss. Total bliss. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. So, thanks for watching. Get out and get yourself a bit. Say that again. Get out and do a bit of wild kayaking. You know it makes sense. I couldn't get that out there. This is where it's at, out on the river. So, until the next one, stay safe.